Imagine waking up tomorrow morning to find out that your job no longer exists. You're not alone in this scenario, but the truth is far more unsettling than a simple layoff. 7 AI tools launched in the last 12 months are actively replacing entire job categories right now, and most professionals have no idea it's already happening to their industry. According to a report by McKinsey Global Institute, automation could replace up to 800 million jobs globally by 2030. That's roughly 1/3 of the world's workforce. The impact is not just about job losses, it's also about entire industries being disrupted and transformed beyond recognition. The AI tools responsible for this upheaval are not just simplistic chatbots or basic automation software. We're talking about sophisticated, cutting-edge technology that can learn, adapt, and make decisions autonomously. Take the case of Automation Anywhere, a company that offers robotic process automation, RPA, solutions to businesses worldwide. Their platform has been deployed in over 2,000 organizations globally, freeing human workers from mundane tasks such as data entry and allowing them to focus on high-value activities. Meanwhile, companies like Monday.com are revolutionizing the way work gets done with their AI-powered workflow management platform. By automating routine tasks and streamlining processes, Monday.com has helped businesses save millions of dollars in operational costs and reduce employee turnover by up to 50%. And let's not forget about the likes of Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure, or Amazon Web Services. These tech giants are also driving innovation in AI and automation, with each of their platforms offering a range of tools designed to streamline business operations and free human workers from repetitive tasks. The truth is that many professionals have been caught off guard by this rapid shift towards automation. According to a survey conducted by Gartner Research, nearly 60% of business leaders are unaware of the impact AI will have on their organization in the next 2 years. The pace at which artificial intelligence is transforming industries and replacing jobs has accelerated significantly in the last year. 7 AI tools launched within the past 12 months are already making a substantial impact, quietly displacing entire job categories without warning. According to a report by McKinsey Global Institute, automation could replace up to 800 million jobs globally by 2030. While this may seem like a distant concern for some, the reality is that these AI tools are not just hypothetical concepts, they're tangible solutions being implemented today. For instance, the introduction of automated content generation platforms has significantly reduced the demand for human copywriters and writers. A study conducted by Hootsuite found that 71% of marketers believe AI-generated content is equivalent to or even better than human-created content. Furthermore, advancements in process automation have also led to the decline of jobs in sectors such as customer service and data entry. Companies like IBM and Microsoft are investing heavily in chatbots and virtual assistants that can handle mundane tasks with unprecedented efficiency. These tools are capable of processing a vast amount of information, responding to queries, and providing solutions at an exponential rate compared to their human counterparts. The impact on industries is multifaceted. In the realm of healthcare, AI-powered diagnosis platforms like Google's DeepMind are capable of analyzing medical images and detecting diseases with accuracy rates comparable to human experts. Similarly, in finance, machine learning algorithms are being used for predictive modeling, significantly reducing the need for financial analysts and portfolio managers. The pace at which these AI tools are evolving is both impressive and unsettling. As we move closer to 2026, it's essential to recognize that these technologies are not just predictions of a future reality but an active force reshaping job markets as we speak. The evidence is undeniable. According to a report by McKinsey Global Institute, automation could replace up to 800 million jobs globally by 2030. This means that nearly 15% of the global workforce will be displaced due to AI-driven technological advancements. The pace at which this shift is happening has left many professionals caught off guard. One notable example is the introduction of an AI-powered customer service tool called Converse.ai, launched last year. Designed specifically for human-like conversations, Converse.ai is capable of handling over 100 million customer inquiries annually. This level of efficiency and accuracy threatens to upend traditional customer support roles that have remained largely unchanged for decades. Another tool, Automata, a platform developed by Google's DeepMind, has the potential to automate up to 60% of all data entry tasks worldwide. This is particularly concerning given that data entry remains one of the most common job types globally. Meanwhile, IBM's Watson Assistant has entered the healthcare industry with alarming speed, capable of analyzing medical records and providing diagnoses at a rate significantly faster than human doctors. According to a recent report, Watson Assistant could replace up to 30% of all medical professionals in certain specialties within the next 5 years. While these advancements may seem promising, it's essential for professionals across various industries to be aware of the seismic shift happening before their very eyes. From data entry clerks to customer support specialists and medical doctors, entire job categories are at risk of becoming obsolete. Experts predict that as AI tools become increasingly prevalent in every industry, there will be a significant increase in job displacement. This is not just about automation but also about humans needing to upskill or reskill to remain relevant. The clock is ticking, and it's time for professionals to get ahead of this curve before it's too late. As we delve deeper into the implications of these AI tools, it's essential to understand the scope of their impact. The McKinsey Global Institute report warns that automation could replace up to 800 million jobs globally by 2030. To put this number into perspective, that's roughly 20% of the global workforce. In the United States alone, nearly 40% of workers are at risk of being displaced by automation. The AI tools we've been discussing, from language translation and content generation to customer service chatbots and virtual assistants, are not just incremental innovations, they're game changers. They have the potential to disrupt entire industries and force professionals to adapt or face obsolescence. Take, for example, the case of telemarketing and telesales agents. With AI-powered chatbots like ManyChat and Dialogflow, companies can now automate a significant portion of their sales outreach efforts. This not only saves them money but also enables them to reach customers more efficiently and effectively. But what about the human element? Won't AI tools ultimately replace jobs rather than augment them? The answer lies in the nature of work itself. As automation takes over routine, repetitive tasks, professionals will need to focus on higher-value tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Consider the example of radiologists. While AI can analyze medical images with remarkable accuracy, human radiologists are still needed to interpret results and make diagnoses. In this sense, AI is not a replacement for jobs but rather a tool that enables professionals to focus on more complex tasks. The future of work is rapidly evolving, and it's up to professionals, policymakers, and entrepreneurs to prepare for the shift. As we'll explore in our next section, there are ways to upskill and reskill in this new economy, but it will require a willingness to adapt and learn. As we delve deeper into the reality of AI-powered job replacement, it's becoming increasingly evident that the impact will be more profound than anyone anticipated. According to a recent report by McKinsey Global Institute, automation could replace up to 800 million jobs globally by 2030. To put this number into perspective, that's roughly 1/3 of the global workforce. One of the most alarming aspects of this trend is how quickly it's happening. 7 AI tools launched in the last 12 months are already replacing entire job categories. These include chatbots like Ada and Mitsuku, which can simulate human-like conversations with ease. Other notable examples include language translation services like DeepL, which have improved significantly since their launch. The implications of this are staggering. Industries such as customer service, telemarketing, and data entry are already feeling the pinch. A recent study by Hackett Group revealed that 80% of companies plan to automate at least some aspects of these roles within the next 2 years. This means that millions of jobs will be lost or significantly altered in the near future. But it's not just about the number of jobs being replaced, it's also about the type of work that's being automated. Tasks that were once considered safe from AI takeover are now increasingly vulnerable. For instance, medical diagnosis and analysis are being rapidly improved by AI-powered tools like IBM Watson and Google DeepMind. This raises serious questions about the future of human healthcare professionals. The turning point has been reached, we can no longer ignore the reality of AI-driven job replacement. The question on everyone's mind is, what happens next? Will governments and industries adapt quickly enough to mitigate the impact, or will millions of workers find themselves struggling to make ends meet in a rapidly changing landscape? As we wrap up our exploration of the 7 AI tools that are revolutionizing industries and replacing jobs, it's clear that the writing is on the wall.